Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and get your Coinbase deposit address. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your Coinbase application. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on receive or deposit, and then choose the exact coin that you want to receive, like BTC, and then tap on deposit to view and copy your address, which will look something like that. Once you've done so, all you need to do is open your Binance wallet and then simply go ahead and choose the crypto to withdraw. Simply tap on withdraw and then simply paste the Coinbase address on the address that it is asking at the top, and then simply enter the amount that you want to go ahead and transfer. All you need to do is simply go ahead and confirm and submit, and you can track and receive your crypto. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.